Hi guys, Quark is back with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to create a purge command, clean command, and nuke command. So let's get on with it. Let's open it up and then code dot. Let's close this. And last time we did slow mode, right? So today I'll be teaching you how to create a purge command. Alright, purge moderation, and let's say purge messages. I'll copy, paste. Let's name it Nuke, and copy. Let's name it clean. Clean channel. So let's go with this first. Purge. So in our purge command, I'll just do if message.members.has permission manage channels return message.channel.send no permissions. And you can just use the what's it called, this one, but I'm too lazy to use it because I have to add it into every command. So I'm just gonna do this for now, but you can do the permission handler I did. So for purge command, let's do const delete count equal parse int. It would be arc 0, and then radix would be 10. So it's a base 10. And then if there's no delete count, or delete count is less than 2, or delete count is more than 100, then return message.channel.send input must be between 2 to 100. And then let's do const fetch equal await message.channel.messages.fetch, and then the limit would be delete count. Alright, and then message.channel.bulk delete fetch catch error. So we want to know the error. Would be console.logged cannot delete messages because error. And let's change this to backticks. Then message.channel.send purge backticks purge delete count messages then let's delete it. So delete it would be msg dot delete, and then inside we can put in a timeout. So timeout 10,000, so that's like around 10 seconds, I guess. And we're done with purge command. And then let's do Nuke, Nuke, Nuke channel. Right here, I'm just gonna copy message channel permission. Whoops, format. Let's format this first. Alright. And then right here, it would be const nuke channel equal message dot channel. If there's no nuke, if nuke channel is not deletable, return message dot channel dot send channel is not deletable. Delete. And then await nuke channel dot send. Dot clone first. Clone dot catch error, and then console dot log error. Then await nuke channel dot delete dot catch. I'm just gonna copy, and we're done. Then we have a clean channel, which is the same as my record. Yep, it is the same as my record. So clean the purge channel I have to write in the numbers, right? The nuke will, what's it called? We'll delete the channel and clone. We'll clone the channel and then delete the channel. Whereas the clean channel will, how can I say it? It will get how many messages is in the channel, and then it will clean. So I'll show you with the commands later. Clean channel, and then boom. And here would be, let's say message dot channel dot messages dot fetch dot then result would be message dot channel fetch channel dot bulk delete result. Then try, and then the catch. Let's do try first. So try message dot channel dot send. Actually, this one would be inside the try. Format message dot channel dot send. Clean the channel. Whereas catch would be message dot channel dot send. There was a problem cleaning up the channel. And then we have to parse in the error here, and we would do console dot log error, and we're done. So let's try it out. Node dot connected, logged in, and I'll do dash purge first. So it will say input will be between 2 to 100, right? So I have to purge 3, so it will count the one I will send, this one, and the one above. So 3, 2, 1, go. Whoops. Whoops. Something is wrong. Oh, okay. So it purged. I don't know what was happening to, but yeah, okay. So it purged 3 messages, and then now it deleted. So if I do dash clean channel, let's give it a second. Wait, how do we name it? No. Okay, clean channel. Clean the channel. Let's rerun it. no dot. Actually, I'm just gonna do nuke it. So let's if I do nuke dash nuke, it would, as you can see, remove the channel and recreate it. So if I do A B C D E F G H I J K, and then we're done. And if I do clean channel, actually I'm just gonna copy this ID first. As you can see, it ends with 8728, right? So if I do dash clean channel, it will clean up the whole channel. Whoops, there was a problem. Oh, the 10 is not a function. Oh, it's dot fetch. Okay, let me try that again. Oh, there's two. Clear no dot. So if I do clean channel, I'm just gonna copy this again. Copy 8728, right? Clean channel. It will just clean the channel. And if I copy the ID again, actually this is the one I copied. So if I right click and copy it again, as you can see, it's the same ID. So it will just clean the channel. But the only problem is it won't clean if the, how can I say it, if the messages is more than 14 days old. So that's gonna be a problem. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video.